Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, I will be playing with my October Boxycharm. I'm so excited for this box. I watched Kathleen Lights and she was a bit disappointed with her box, so I was like, I hope I didn't get the same products that she did, and I didn't. I'm really happy with all the products that they put in my box. If I said last month is my favorite box, scratch that, because this one is definitely gonna be a top box to beat, because this is my favorite as of right meow. You guys know what Boxycharm is. I'm not gonna bore you with that. So if you guys are enjoying what you're seeing so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my unboxing, unbagging, and all the videos that is gonna be coming out here on my channel. So if you guys want to see all the products in my October Boxycharm box, then just keep on watching. Let me give you a little preview of our box this month. This is what it looks like. There's so many good things in this month's box. Let's get started with the pamphlet. The theme for this month is After Dark, so same thing. No? Okay. Same thing every month. It tells you the products in the box, how much they are. They used to put little tips in, tricks that you can do with the products in the box, but not anymore. But it's okay, we know how to use these products, right? This is what these videos are for. I have the brows on already. I'm trying a new brow product, so loving it so far. So they're introducing Boxycharm 2.0. You can customize your box. You could pick one product that you can put in your box. So for this month, I was so mad because I saw the email a while back and I was like, you know what, I'll do it later, and then I forgot about it, and then when I clicked on it, it said you missed that window, but we got you. And they did, you guys. They got my back, and I was a little nervous. I was like, oh my god, they're not gonna put that one eyeshadow palette that I want in there, but they did, you guys. They did. So I'm really excited for the palette that's in my box this month. But it says number 1, value. You can receive 5 beauty products worth over $125 starting November 1st, and then you can customize it. You can receive foundation. Oh, what? Wait, what? It says customization, and now you can receive foundation or concealer products matched to your skin tone as if you went to the store. Swatch the different shades of the complexion. A blister pack that we will send in your November boxy. Wait, what? I'm really intrigued. Okay, it says choice. Now each charmer gets the chance to choose every month. During the choice window, choose one product you'd like to receive. And BhCosmetics subscribers get the chance to choose 1 to 3 products in their BhCosmetics. So BhCosmetics subscribers, you get to choose 3 products in your box. As a little Boxycharmer, we only get to pick 1, which is okay. And also they are introducing Boxycharm Premium Beauty Box worth over $175, value for only $35. So I guess they're adding another Boxycharm box. So they will have the regular Boxycharm for $25 a month, and then they will have the $35 Boxycharm Premium, and then they will have the Boxy Luxe. So they are really upping their boxes, so that's really good that you have different choices. You don't have to get the Boxy Luxe, which is definitely up there in price. You can go in between and pick the $35 if you want to. So check that out. I'm sure they have more information on their site or their their Instagram, so check them out. I've been doing something different with my unboxing. I will be showing you all the products first. I think it flows better that way. So if you want to stay for the product showing, then you can just do that. Or if you just want to stay and just watch me use the products, then you can also just do that. I will put it in the description below, like the timestamp on where I show you the products, or when I show you when I use the products. It's going to be in the description below. Hopefully that works better for you guys. So let's go ahead and start. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this palette right here. When I saw that they are putting those of colors eyeshadows in the box this month, I was so excited, and I was hoping that I will get this one right here. Really I love the packaging. So you can feel the lettering on here. This is Dose of Colors, and at the back it shows you the colors. It's really pretty. So it says that cruelty-free, paraben-free, and it is talc-free. So this is what it looks like inside. It is very reflective, you guys. I love the packaging, and it does have a mirror, and it looks like my shadow smeared everywhere already. Oh, that is okay. And it does come with a little brush. It's on the floor now, but it comes with a brush. I'm sure you guys seen this palette before, and you guys know that this palette is really good. I haven't tried it myself, so I don't know how it will work for me, but you know, hearing it from other people that they love this palette, so I cannot wait to try this on and put it on my lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you now. So the brush that comes with this palette is really tiny. You can use this for the lower lash for sure, and you can use this to apply your inner highlight. Really loving these two shades right here. I'm sure I'm going to use every single one of this on our eyes, so we are definitely going to be staying with just matte shadows today. No shimmers, definitely no cut crease today, so really excited to see what we can come up with. The next product in the box is this Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This is what it looks like. So this is, it says, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And this retails for $32. So really excited to try this. Touch in Soul has great products. Really been loving all the products that I've been receiving from them. Not from them, but like, you know, my subscription. This has 1.05 ounces, 30 gram. So the top is very bulky. It made it look like it's like huge inside, but it smells really good, so I cannot wait to use this. We're gonna use this later, so let's put this aside for now. The next thing in the box is this iconic London, what is this? It's a lip plumping gloss. This is what it looks like. This retails for $26. This is what it looks like. It has a rose gold top, and I'll just read it right here. It says iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. So this is what the one looks like. It has an indentation on the top, so that would hug your lips when you're applying this product. So it looks like a tinted gloss more so than just a shiny like a clear gloss. Now let's move on to a highlighter. I'm really excited to see this in my box. This is the Gellar Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It looks like a pearl. So this retails for $26. It says illuminate your natural beauty. This innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color that can be swept all over the face for a lit from within glow. It says fresh 3D design captures the look of our favorite Italian dessert and lasts until the very last application. Can you guys see? Yeah. So can't wait to apply that to our cheeks. The last thing in our box is a sponge. This is Illuminati cosmetic sponge. This is what it looks like. It says an edgeless reusable high definition cosmetic sponge applicator. This retails for $21. So it says simply wet, squeeze, and bounce your way to streak-free makeup perfection. So let's go ahead and use the Glassy Touch in Soul Moisturizer Primer. It's very cooling on the skin, you guys. So it feels like a lotion. You guys, who else uses their pen to hold their hair? Me. So it does get a little bit sticky on the skin, but as I mentioned many times, we do like that, so the product sticks on our skin, so that is really good. I'm gonna go ahead and soak our beauty sponge. I have my tabo over here. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this, and let's see how big we can get this, and let's see how soft we can get this. So I'm just squeezing my sponge and my towel. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. I wish I had another one so I could compare the size, but it did grow quite a bit, so really excited to try this. For foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is in Sandy Beige 220. I run out of my LA Girl. I usually mix those two together, but we're just going to go with this one. That was actually applying my foundation pretty good. I bought a BhCosmetics foundation, but it was too dark for me. Mix a little bit of that, so it's not so bright. Should have done that in the first place. This sponge works really good. It applied my foundation, my concealer. It applied it really good. No patchiness on the skin, so I really like the sponge, and it is very squishy. It is very soft. I have used a beauty sponge that are, even after you wet it, it is very hard and it is very rough on the skin, so it is a good sponge to have. I already did most of my base, so let's go ahead and get to the highlighter in this box. So we're gonna be playing Miss Laura Gellar. So this is in Diamond Dust. I don't think I told you the name. So this is Diamond Dust. So I kept my skin pretty matte, so this is the only shine I'm gonna have on the skin. I like applying highlighter up here too. But it's swatches alone and also watching reviews with this palette. I know that there is a bit fallout, so we are gonna be very careful with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my lid with this. See that? We're gonna set my lid with this shade right here. So we're just gonna go start right here and put that on our crease first. So it does have a lot of fallout, but it is crazy pigmented. Whatever I apply on the top, I'm also going to apply it on the bottom. So we're just going to go back to that small brush that it came with, and I'm just going to apply that on the bottom. I'm going to take this one. I should just mix these two together, but I'm going to go ahead and take this. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to use it on the top and the bottom lash. I'm going to start bringing that down all over our lid too, not just the crease. I'm going to take a smaller crease brush, and I'm going to take the next color that we have, this one right here. We're doing the same thing with all the shade. The darkest shade on the palette, this one right here, I'm going to concentrate that on the outer right here. We're not going to bring it in to the inner part of the lid. So I went ahead and finished the eyes, you guys. Love this palette. I know it's a bit pricey for just 5 shadows, but I think it is definitely worth it. Nothing bad to say about this palette. And then for lashes, you guys know it, it's the Acerado lashes. This is in Legendary. Let's go ahead and finish this video with the last product in the box, which is the iconic London lip gloss. So this has a lip plumping effect, so really excited to try this. This has a little bit of tint. You guys saw it on the swatch earlier, so I'm just gonna go apply this on my lips without anything on my lips so you guys can see what it looks like. So I definitely feel the tingle already. Like I said, that dip on the wand is definitely great for hugging our lips. So I put on a few coats on the lips. I think this is a great everyday lip gloss. It gives you a little bit of tint on the lips, but nothing like a liquid lipstick. You can definitely use your other lippies with this, or just a lip liner underneath and then pop this on and you are good to go. So I do feel a little bit of tingle, nothing major. I like that tingly feeling. I do use a lip plumper before I do my makeup. So I went ahead and applied a lip liner and then I put the lip gloss on top. I just wanted to give you guys another option, and I want to show you guys what it looks like with a product underneath the lip gloss. I really like this combination right here. So this is the Delarza Cosmetics Vianney Strick. This is 24. So this is how I would use a lip gloss. I would use a product underneath it. It could be a liquid lipstick, it could be a lipstick or a lip pencil. I would definitely gravitate toward a lip pencil. Boxycharm, good job picking everything in my box for October. The Baked Bronze is definitely my favorite in this month's box. It's definitely a palette that is worth purchasing. So if you know somebody who loves this tone of eyeshadow, definitely buy this for them for Christmas, birthdays, or just because. Definitely pick this up. It's such a pretty eyeshadow. It's definitely worth the money. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any suggestion, if you have any comment, please let me know. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If there's something or anything on my face that I didn't talk about, it's gonna be in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.